morning everyone. So today and over the next few days we're going to be doing something that we're very excited about, which is a 2-night and 3-day island expedition on a set of remote islands called Linapacan. So a lot of people that come to Palawan either go to El Nido and Coron, but many people don't know that there's a set of islands in between those called Linapacan, remote islands. And we're going to be doing a tour with a company called Keelooma, where they take you to these islands and you get to stay on the islands. So we're doing a 2-night, 3-day tour. A lot of people recommended this tour and said it was a unique experience, so that's why we decided to check it out. And yeah, it's been one of the things that we wanted to do the most here in the Philippines on this trip. So you can check out the tour on their website. They do have other tours available, even longer stays if you want. The tour that we're doing is around 17,000 to 19,000 pesos per person, and that just depends if they have a promotion or not. And we're going to be doing the tour from Coron to El Nido, but you can do it the opposite way. So if you go on their website, you'll be able to check the dates that they have for the different directions. Alright, so this is going to be our ride for the next 3 days. Hello. Thank you. Excited?
Yes, it's going to be an adventure.
Yep, 3-day adventure. So our first stop is actually where we came yesterday, the Twin Lagoon on Coron Island. I think this is the only stop on Coron Island, so all the next places are going to be new places. But we're making the experience different because we got a kayak. On the other tours you'd have to pay quite a bit to have the kayak for the day, but it's included in this tour. So all the snorkel gear and stuff is all included. Seems to look nicer now, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe because of the sun, how it's hitting the sea.
Yeah, because we've come later on.
Yeah, it just looks nicer than yesterday.
Alright, time to do some kayaking. Hold this, Carol. I'm doing all the work.
Finally. So we're also allowed to kayak outside the lagoon, so that's a part that we didn't see yesterday, and we are checking it out now. And we just found this lagoon here. It's like there's nobody here, so I don't think it's a touristic one, but it looks very nice with the turquoise color.
Emerald.
Yeah, the Emerald Lagoon. We just named it.
So even though there's the main lakes like Barracuda Lake, Kayanga and Twin Lagoon, there are many other lagoons and little lake areas on Coron Island that you can come to, and nobody really comes here at all. Wow, indeed. Completely secluded island. Got the swings here. So I think we're gonna eat first and then we'll enjoy the beach. So you can see in the distance there, that is Coron Island. And then on this side there's a huge island called Coron, which I think we might be sleeping on tonight for the first night. Not too sure, we'll find out. So we just finished eating, feeling pretty full. It was the typical Filipino food, boat food. So you had like the chicken adobo, the pinakbet, the vegetables, what else? Fish, obviously. Fish and rice, salad. And there's this viewpoint here on the island, Nemo. Yeah, really nice viewpoint. So there's another little beach down here on our island. I think that's a private resort, so we can't go over there. And check out the view on this bench. It's a great view. So if you look at this area of Coron, Linapacan, all the areas between Coron and El Nido, there's just so many islands. It's unbelievable. Many of them uninhabited too. No people live on them. So the island is a bit bigger than we thought. So we just walked over these rocks here and there is another beach. We only knew about this because we just saw somebody else walking over here. Look, another beach right here. So quiet too. There's no like noisy boats coming around here. That's the thing when you do the island hopping tours in like Coron and El Nido. Obviously even on a secluded beach you can usually hear a lot of sound still, music playing sometimes, or yeah, just the noisy boats, the old boats. But not here, only one every now and again.
What a place.
Another island here, isn't there? I guess that's
there.
Yeah, another private one, I guess. Well, this one isn't a resort, it just looks like a stopping point maybe for other boats. Like I said, there are many islands, so these are just all little islands scattered around. So next up is Tayan, if I said that correctly. So it's an island here, a big island, but it has this huge, beautiful sandbar. You wanna jump in, Carol?
Yeah, I hope it's deep enough.
I think so. Just bend your legs. So I think on these islands here, since we're not in Linapacan yet, you still get a few tours from Coron, like day trips coming here. So that's why you see a few other boats. Still pretty much empty though, not many people here at all. But tomorrow we'll actually be in Linapacan, and that's when it will be a lot emptier, I think. Well, I'm sure we're glad that we decided to come back to Coron again.
Yeah, we didn't see pretty much anything the first time when we came in 2019.
Yeah, I think we did one boat tour.
Yeah, and that was all. And we still missed a few things. We wanted to do like a proper scooter tour around the island to see some places. But
yeah, not a boat tour in Busuanga.
Yeah, but I guess I'll have to come back again in the future.
Yeah, there's still other places to visit, even on Coron Island, which is still over there. We can still see it. It's getting more and more in the distance now, though.
But I'm glad we're doing this tour, which is something different. I think not many people know about it, so it's yeah, a cool experience.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the accommodation soon.
Guys, so from now on we are here on our first camp, so we can stay here for one night. So bring your the things that you need for tonight, and tomorrow we will leave here.
Backflip!
So this is gonna be the island that we're staying on for the night, over there, and we're all swimming to the island. That's the bag transport there, all our bags. This is the coolest check-in ever.
Yeah, I really like it. We chose not to go with the kayak, but if you don't want to swim, you can go with the kayak, but we choose the adventure way.
Yeah. All right, we made it to the island.
It's like a very wild island.
Yeah, this is as wild as it gets. Looks like we might get a nice sunset. We're on the right side of the island here, washing our beach towel in the salt water.
Yeah, island life.
Yeah, this right now is as peaceful as it gets. Now no boats at all passing around. There's only our boat here, nobody else. And Linapacan is over there, where we'll be heading tomorrow in the next video. And here are the cool little huts that we're gonna be staying in tonight. Really awesome. Not sure which is ours yet, but they're probably all the same. So there you go, you just got the mosquito net. I think this is like a rain cover. Maybe if there's loads of wind and rain, I don't know. And then behind, just the wild island. I think there is a house back here. The locals' house. Got a bit of a fire going on. Some fishing nets, I think. Yeah, I guess this is where one of the locals live. I love it.
The best mosquito repellent.
Yeah, I think that's why they do it around this time. Well, one, they have to burn some things, right? But I think they do it at this time because it's mosquito time. Dog wrestling. Trying to eat the other dog. Got some more little huts over here. I don't think anyone stays in those though. And this is where the bathrooms are, the showers and the toilets. Been wanting to check these out. Yep, so it's just a bucket shower.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you just gotta use this, and this will be filled with water. So we're gonna be showering tonight. It's not the first time we've had to do that before, but they do have proper toilets, so there you go. Still wrestling.
Yeah. They don't stop.
Don't mind me, continue. Oh. Check this out, this guy likes to handshake. Nice to meet you, doggo. Alright, see you later. It was nice meeting you. Have a nice day. We got a beautiful sunset and a full moon over there.
Special night.
Special night and a handshaking doggo. So we're gonna go to bed now in our hut here. So they do have electricity here until 10 p.m. So I think it's gonna go out in about 10 minutes. But the moon is shining really bright right now, so can actually see pretty well. And we ended up making a little bonfire on the beach, and yeah, we were just talking with all the people that were here, getting to know them better. Really cool group of people. So in the next video we'll show the second day of the excursion, so stay tuned for that. If you like this one, just drop a like to support us, subscribe to see more videos like this, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you around.